Babe, I'm ready to eat. That's what I'm ready for.
You eat, you little hungry monkey. Okay, so hi you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my husband's hair. Cue husband on my right side. So, yes, this is an informal introduction, but this is my husband, Stephan. And he has locks. He's had locks before I decided to lock my hair. And I'm just going to show you guys what I do to his hair. I wash and retwist, and sometimes I style it. He doesn't really like some of the styles that I do, but today I styled it the way that he likes it styled, and I just kind of put it into a ponytail. So let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start to section his hair off so that I can start from the back. I've already completed his wash and condition. I used the Cream of Nature clarifying shampoo. I believe that's the name of it, but I'll link it in the description box, as well as the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo. And for the conditioner, I used the Carol's Daughter Coconut Milk, I believe. I'll also leave that one in the description box. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but I used that to condition his hair. The product that I'll be using to retwist his hair is called Loc It Up by Taliah Waajid. And I've been using this product for quite some time, since I actually started my locks, and I've been using it on my husband as well. I love this product because it's really water based. It doesn't create buildup over time when you use it. Although as I am retwisting his hair, you will see the product turn white or appear to be white, but that will dry as the hair dries, so it won't leave any flakes or residue or buildup or anything like that, so no worries. The method that I use to retwist his hair is the palm roll. I normally will use a comb to gather the hair together before palm rolling it, but today I only use my fingers, and as you can see, it works just as well. Then I'll go over and smooth the product towards the root down the shaft of the hair. His hair texture is very fine, and it actually takes a while to lock up. I'm also going through and just two-strand twisting, 2 locks per section as I'm retwisting. So my go-to style for him is the 2-strand twist. He seems to like that more so than any other style that I've ever tried on him. So as you can see, I pulled out a few rolls, 1 or 2 at a time, and I retwisted it. I went back and 2-strand twisted them and then secured the end with a rubber band. And that's basically what I did to the entire head as I went along, just because he had to go to work, so I didn't really want to waste time retwisting the whole head and then trying to go back to the back of the head to 2-strand twist. So I did it as I went. This man holds a bad head. Like, he cannot keep his head held properly while I'm trying to do his hair. I had to push his head over to the opposite side multiple times because he just cannot hold his hair right. So, yeah. Anybody out there who knows someone who holds a bad head, comment down below the struggle. After finishing all the 2-strand twists, I'm going to go over and spray his hair with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. Then I'm just going to create 2 ponytails, one at the top, one at the back. He normally likes the up-down style where I put the ponytail at the top and then I'll leave the back down, but today I just went ahead and put both sections up. And then I'm going to take my edge control and smooth those edges over. And that concludes this video, you guys. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you did like it, and leave a comment if you feel the need. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.